The first light of dawn spreads across the African savanna. A gentle mist rises above a quiet river while the calls of distant birds echo through the morning air. From the water, a massive hippopotamus slowly emerges. Its skin is coated with drying mud, but beneath that muddy armor hides a silent enemy. Hundreds of blood-sucking ticks cling tightly around its ears, eyes, neck, and deep folds of thick skin. Each tiny parasite feeds unnoticed, draining blood little by little. The hippo shakes its head. It flicks its ears. It sinks back into the cool water, hoping for relief. But the stubborn parasites refuse to let go. Then, from above, a small shadow glides through the golden morning light. A red-billed oxpecker lands gently on the hippo's broad head. The giant doesn't move. The tiny bird carefully tilts its head, searching every wrinkle for its next meal. One quick peck, and a tick disappears. Another careful pull removes another parasite. What looks like a simple bird is actually one of nature's most remarkable cleaners. The oxpecker hops confidently across the hippo's muddy skin. Its sharp eyes inspect every fold around the ears and neck. It pauses only for a moment before finding another hidden tick. One by one, the parasites vanish. For the bird, each tick is a nutritious meal packed with protein. For the hippo, every parasite removed means a little less irritation. As the morning grows warmer, more oxpeckers arrive. Soon 2 birds work together across the giant's body. One searches around the ears while the other moves across the shoulders and neck. Their movements are quick, precise, and almost perfectly coordinated. The hippo remains surprisingly calm, trusting the tiny cleaners to continue their work only inches from its sensitive eyes. Nearby, the river comes alive. Kingfishers dive into the water after fish. Dragonflies skim across the shining surface. White egrets wander quietly through the reeds. Yet the oxpeckers remain completely focused on their unusual task. Every few seconds another tick is found, and another parasite disappears. But this partnership is more complicated than it first appears. Scientists have discovered that oxpeckers do more than simply remove parasites. Sometimes they feed on soft tissue around small wounds, which can slow the healing process. Because of this, researchers describe their relationship as complex rather than perfect. Even so, when hundreds of parasites cover a giant animal, the benefits of having skilled cleaners nearby can still outweigh the cost. As the sun begins to set, warm golden light covers the river once again. The hippo slowly sinks back into the cool water until only its eyes and nostrils remain above the surface. One final oxpecker searches near the edge of its ear. A last quick peck removes one more tick. Then the bird spreads its wings and disappears into the glowing evening sky. In the African wilderness, survival is rarely achieved alone. Sometimes the largest animals depend on the smallest helpers. It is a partnership shaped not by friendship, but by the endless balance of nature. And when another sunrise arrives over the river, the giant and its tiny cleaner will meet once again, ready to continue one of Africa's oldest daily routines.